Stormshield Weather, certified most accurate.
Hi again, everyone. We're going to start with a time lapse of that hazy, smoky sky out there. In fact, the Oklahoma DEQ offering up an air quality alert today, and again, probably for tomorrow, due to just the nature, that haziness and all those particulates in the sky, thanks to all that smoke here recently. So if you have respiratory or heart disease issues, you probably want to make sure you're not exerting yourself out there. Beautiful sunset, though, as of course that sun was scattered among all the moisture in the air and the fine little smoke particles and of course the clouds, and we had just a beautiful, colorful sunset. Tomorrow morning, maybe a shower. There's a small chance, so maybe have that umbrella ready, but otherwise I think you'll need sleeves as it's going to be a cooler morning tomorrow, right around 48 degrees, and that's because a cold front has moved through. Our winds have turned to the northeast. It's now down to 59 in Tulsa. 69, though, still ahead of that front in McAllister with southerly winds, though, there. So here's future track tonight, and now we're starting to see a few showers starting to show up on Storm Shield radar. So right up here in the corner from Coffeyville to Veneta to Grove, late tonight, a few scattered showers, maybe a rumble of thunder into the early overnight hours, and that'll stretch back into Osage County and then move off to the south into the southeast. So again, small chance of rain tomorrow morning, 6 a.m. Temperature likely upper 40s, low 50s, cool northeast wind around 20 miles an hour. Then gray skies through the noon hour, temperature only in the mid 50s at that time. Could be an isolated thunderstorm tomorrow afternoon, not really being picked up by this computer model here, but still I think there could be just an isolated shower tomorrow afternoon. We'll be up to around 60 degrees by 4 p.m. Might see our daytime high tomorrow in the evening around 7 as warmer air starts to flow back in from the south. Thursday, what a setup here. Dry line out in western Kansas and parts of Texas and Oklahoma. Strong low pressure system out in Colorado, and a few scattered showers and thunderstorms break out along that dry line, move to the east, and then they fall apart. And then Friday morning, as the dry line and the cold front start to move closer to Tulsa, we start to see scattered showers and thunderstorms developing out ahead of this. Now, this would lessen the severe weather threat for Tulsa, but watch what happens as they move to the east. They get a little bit stronger, especially from, say, Veneta through Tahlequah down to Stigler to McAllister, and in that dark red area, we could have some strong winds, maybe some large hail, and heavy rainfall for sure. And then that upper low probably take till Saturday afternoon to get out of here, so there could be some rain Saturday morning. I think the tornado threat's pretty low on Friday. Elevated hail threat, and probably the biggest threat out of that line of thunderstorms will be some wind gusts in excess of 60 miles an hour. Today's high temperature, 83. Hit that right about 4 o'clock this afternoon after a morning low of 59. The average is 64 for the high. 59 currently with a north wind at 16 miles an hour, relative humidity 55%, falling into the upper 40s in many locations. Breezy east-northeast winds tonight and a few scattered showers, especially over far northeastern Oklahoma. The rest of us will stay dry. So tomorrow morning, 7 a.m., east-northeast wind, 53 degrees, noontime 57, overcast sky. 2 p.m., that's when I think we could see a thunderstorm, right in the middle part of the afternoon. Again, very isolated. Warmest temperature of the day doesn't occur until 7 p.m., 63. Tomorrow night at this time, we'll have warmer winds out of the south and the temperature still in the 60s. So 63 in Tulsa tomorrow, 63 in Pryor, Grove 61, Tahlequah, Muskogee also around 63, McAllister holding on to that warmer air at 70 degrees. Here's the 7-day forecast. Warmer on Thursday and dry, 80 degrees, windy also, then a 90% chance for that rain and a thunderstorm on Friday, maybe a strong wind gust or some larger hail, so we'll keep the yellow lights on there. Then it all moves to the east. Saturday morning, though, chance of rain. Cooler northwest winds Saturday afternoon, 71. 77 with thunderstorms likely by late Sunday afternoon into Sunday evening. Small chance of rain on Monday and another storm system on Tuesday. So we've kind of gone from famine to feast here in terms of the rainfall, at least.